Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, in this video, we will discuss how to remove all zeros after decimal in Excel. If you have a list of decimal numbers which contain zeros after the decimal point, now you need to remove all the trailing zeros after the number. So, here we can use format cell command to remove all trailing zeros. First, select the number list that you want to remove the trailing zeros after decimal point. Then right click and choose Format Cell from the context menu. Now, in the Format Cells dialog box, click Numbers tab, then click Custom option from the category, and then enter 0 dot hash 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 into the type text box. Then click OK button. All the trailing zeros have been removed after the decimal point. Method 2. Now we use formula to remove all the trailing zeros after decimal point. So now we enter this formula into a blank cell where you want to put the result. We apply this formula into a blank cell where you want to put the result. Then drag the fill handle down to the cell that you want. Need to apply this formula and all the trailing zeros are removed. Thanks for watching.